Stand right there.
It's bad when they do scatter everything. Look at Miracle. Look at Miracle.
You ain't right. I'll start laughing at them kids.
You ain't no foul. You ain't no foul.
It's okay, but you see they not hurting you. Scared of what, Maya? Thank you. Ain't no reason to cry now.
I wanna go now.
Maya, calm down, honey. It's okay.
Please.
Maya, we can't leave the other kids. So just turn away from it and cover your ears. Cover your ears and turn away. Woo! They lighting some more. For real?
No, no.
Maya, it's okay, honey. It's okay. Hold on to mommy.
They don't know I'm there.
Maya, because everybody else isn't ready to go, honey.
I'm in there.
Oh, that is super cool. It's okay, but they're not even making noises. Oh, that was cool. Why you don't even wait to see what it does before you start crying? Hush, Dolly, leave my baby alone. Okay. It's okay, bud. Oh, I see another one came running, huh?
I wanna go home.
Go right here, sit down. Sit down right there. It's okay. okay, Maya.
Before they got another one.
What the police got to do with it?
No.
No, they ain't nothing for me. I'm good.
They come get our kids and watch the fireworks and crying.
No.
Stop. Stop. Scaring the kids. I know, right? It's evil.
They come get her too.
No.
You got them probably
Say it, quick. Leave that little girl alone. Them cops ain't coming to get nobody. Say it, y'all don't cut it out. Say it. Stop running with them kids. I can't take nobody to the doctor.
Where they sell
The one that needs to wear stuff Play them right over our heads. One, two.
I wanna go.
It's okay, bug. It's okay.